Hey there, fellow tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of electrical engineering to explore one of its essential components, the star-delta starter. So, what exactly is a star-delta starter, and why is it crucial in controlling motors? A star-delta starter is a specialized type of motor starter used to limit the inrush current when starting electric motors. It's typically applied in applications where the motor's starting current is significantly higher than its running current. When a motor starts, it initially draws a high current, which could lead to voltage fluctuations and potential damage to the motor and connected equipment. Here's how it works. The star-delta starter employs a set of contactors to switch the motor windings from a star configuration during starting to a delta configuration during normal operation. During the star connection, each motor winding is connected to a common point, forming a star-like shape. This reduces the voltage across each winding, effectively limiting the starting current. Once the motor reaches a certain speed, the star-delta starter switches the windings to the delta configuration, which is the standard operating mode. So, the star-delta starter not only protects the motor from excessive currents but also extends its lifespan, reduces stress on the electrical system, and enhances overall efficiency. And there you have it, a brief overview of the star-delta starter and its importance in motor control. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech topics. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.